this video is about the issue in Laravel, that is seeding your seeder file to your database. So there is one issue that when you use Laravel seeder command, it will not work on. It will does not show any error in terminal, but it will not seed your file to your database, that is phpMyAdmin. So I'm gonna show this. Let's drop all our database. So basically, when you migrate a file, you can also migrate with seed command. So for that, there is a command php migrate seed, migrate, refresh -seed. So what should this command do is that it will roll back all your order table, migrate it, and then seed your seed table. So for example, I have two seed table, that is seed table, that is I have two seed file, that is one is for role table and one is for user table. So basically what it does is, in role seeder I have three units defined, that is admin, editor, and user. And in admin seeder I have admin credential, and also I have assigned a role, that is editor, from role table. So for example, we have completed this command, but if you go to our browser and go to our user table, it's empty, and also role table is also empty as well. So this command is not working in some other application. To solve that, we have multiple ways. I'm gonna show you 3 or 4 ways, but that way also might not work on some computer, but there is a last resort which will work on every PC. So first way, PHP artisan db seed. As you can see, there isn't any error, but if you go to user table, it's not working. So first way is not working for me. So second way, let's use it with the force command. So this is the second way for me. Second way is also not working for me. So now there is a last result, that is I need to seed each file manually. So in my case, I have a 2 seeder file, role seeder and admin seeder. So there is a catch, that is when you're running each seeder manually, you need to learn which seeder file to run first and which seeder file to run second. For example, role seeder, it doesn't have any foreign key with it. It's a solo table. But in admin seeder, to seed this file, we must have like, it is assigned to editor role from a user role table, so it is connected to role table. So to migrate this file, we must have data in our role table. So this is the issue with this command. You must seed each file separately with knowing their order, that is role seeder come first, admin seeder come second, then might be customer seeder, then other. So in my case, there is none of above code command worked for me. So this is the last result for me. So I need to, if I seed admin seeder first, there will be an issue because it will ask for the role table, and their role table will be empty, and it will throw an error. So I need to first seed role seeder table. So for that, PHP artisan db seed, we are doing manually. So class, then class name, that is role seeder. You can also dash force, but it's not necessary. It will work with this command. So let's go to role table. As you can see, seeder is successful. The problem is that even is seeding our command is that even it doesn't show any error, it will not work. But this is the last result, it will work. Now again, do the same thing for role table. admin seeder. Let's go to our admin table, user table. As you can see, it's working. And if you go to role, it's working as well. So this is the way you can solve this problem.